Guys and girls, what if I told you there's a simple strategy that can turn small trades into bigger wins? This week I took a trade that played out very perfectly, and I'm here to show you exactly how you too can do the same. By the end of this video, you will see how I planned the setup, executed with confidence, and came out on top. You will come to realize that this isn't magic, it's a process you can learn too. So it all started on the daily time frame on this pair of jump 50 index. Why did we enter a buying position on 50 index? The answer to that question will come on the daily time frame, because on the daily time frame it's a time frame that we as day traders, you can term the daily time frame as the decisive time frame, because the information that you will get on the daily time frame, it will be the information that will go even on the lower time frame. So let us see the information that we got on jump 50 index on this time frame of the daily, since we are day traders. So you can see that this market was moving seriously on series of higher highs and higher lows, which determine this market to be technically moving on an uptrend direction. But this uptrend direction came to an end the moment the market broke this level right here. So technically this was a daily shift. So on this illustration that I'm going to draw here, let me draw an illustration of the market that is supposed to move on an uptrend direction and eventually making a shift. We know after the shift of the market has to come to our areas of liquidity before playing out with its new intended series of lower lows and lower highs. So we knew that this market has to come to our areas of liquidity around somewhere up right here by the break of this structure right here. So we knew, okay, we know the market is supposed to come to this point right here. This is just the general overall direction of the jump 50 index. But we said, okay, we are day traders. We are looking to trade currently what the market is showing us this week. We said, okay, let us monitor the recent price movements that will support us to come inside our areas of the daily liquidity. So we said, okay, let us mark this area right here, and we did mark it and said, okay, let us monitor the way this market had been moving. And you can see how this market was moving, providing a series of higher highs and higher lows right here. But you can see the moment the market did not come to respect this area right here. Why? Because it was supposed to come to retest right here and continue, but instead it came all the way below right here. Now, this came to a concept of validation and invalidation point. Let me draw a simple and quick illustration right here for you to understand. For the case of an uptrend market, you'll find the market moving with series of higher highs and higher lows, and the market comes to retest to this point right here and continue. But you can see the moment after the break of this structure right here, the market did not come inside this area, but it did came inside this area above right here. This area above right here, you can see after the break of the structure, the market did come inside, but it failed to come to this area after the break of this structure. So this technically becomes our area of invalidation, and the market will not go to its intended direction until all of the liquidities have been consumed. So we said, okay, the market has come to our area of invalidation right here. Let us see on the 1 hour time frame if we will get a conference that will support our buying decision towards our major area of liquidity that we saw on the daily. On the 1 hour time frame, we said, okay, let's see the way this market had been moving. You can see that this market was moving, providing us with series of lower lows and lower highs. For this case right here, beautifully moving on a downtrend direction. But the moment the market came and break past this level right here, we said, okay, now the market has finally made a shift of the market structure. That this market that was supposed to continue moving, providing us with series of lower lows and lower highs, the market has made a shift right here by breaking above past this level. So up to now on the daily time frame, we had a conference that the market is on our area of invalidation, and on the 1 hour time frame, the market did come and touch our area of invalidation. Furthermore, we got a shift of the market structure right here. So up to now, we have two conferences. All right, a shift of the market structure and the invalidation point on the daily time frame. And furthermore, the information that we got on the candlestick was these candlesticks right here. You can see the market was having very much trouble penetrating below this level right here by these weak rejections. All these weak rejections, guys and girls, they were just telling us that the sellers of this market are weak and the bulls are coming strong. All right. And as you can see, guys and girls, the result itself, the trade hit my target flawlessly, giving me a risk reward ratio currently of 1:4. Our take profit is soon to be hit. But what really matters here isn't the money, it's the process. This trade is a reminder that you don't need to overcomplicate your approach. Trading success is about having a clear strategy, sticking to your rules, and staying patient. Look, I have been where you are, feeling like wins are hard to come by, but the truth is success in Forex is achievable for anyone willing to learn, staying disciplined, and trusting the process. Always keep pushing forward and remember, your breakthrough could be just one trade away. If this video gave you any value or a new perspective, smash that like button, subscribe to Forex Clubhouse for more nonsense trading content. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments. I'd love to help you get closer to your trading goals. Let's build something amazing together. Happy trading, happy new year, and I wish 2025 to be a prosperous year for you. Bye bye.